Hey guys, how you doing? This is Carlos from ICL Financial Fitness and also the Financial Literacy Group here in the Waterbury, Connecticut. And I'm here to present a seminar that I'm doing inside my facility. All right, so let's get started. Basically, ICL Financial Fitness Financial Literacy Group is presents the first ever interactive smart money credit experience learned by doing seminar in Connecticut. Right, hosted by Carlos Anaya and Edwin Yearwood. Wednesday, January 18, 2023, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. That's the day. The location of the place is 21 West Main Street, 4th floor, Waterbury, Connecticut, 06702. All you have to do is register below, sign up, share, and earn entries and win. Win some prizes and rewards that we're going to be giving out at the end of the seminar. All right. We believe in having great credit and being debt free early is essential to us and everyone in general. This credit repair seminar you cannot miss. You are going to find out about an amazing new and unique credit repair program that has been secretly hidden from all consumers, homeowners, employees, and ordinary people in Connecticut area. There's going to be free food and beverages, guys. Now, for you can register, all you have to do is put your name, your email, the location where you're from, not the address, the location where you're from, and then you just click register. But also, don't forget, let us know how many people you're gonna bring. 1 to 3 friends, yourself and a friend, or 1 to 3 family members. Just let us know how much people you could bring. Alright? Also, all you have to do is register, to our free interactive smart money credit repair experience seminar. Share the seminar to all your friends at your social network platforms. For you can be entered into our giveaway. At the end of the seminar, again, we are going to announce the winner. Alright? So basically, to sign up, you just scroll down to sign up, you earn entries, and you win. We are running a giveaway, and there's more than one way to earn rewards and win. The first way, you sign up, you be entered into our giveaway. Then you tell your friends, earn entries. Help us out by telling your friends and following us online. Tell your friends about the seminar. Share it with them. Bring them to the seminar. And the more people you bring, the more you have the chance to become the winner of the prize and rewards that we're going to give out at the end of the seminar. Then, at the end of the seminar again, we're going to announce the winner. When the contest is over, we announce the winner and distribute any prizes and rewards to the winner. That's basically what the event is going to be about, where it's going to be and everything. And I got a couple more minutes. The event is going to be about, a smart money learned by doing, strategies that you're going to learn inside the event, inside the seminar, however you want to call it. The capacity of people is 50. So I suggest you're going to see the timer up top. There's a timer up top. There's going to be a timer, minutes, hours, and days. Try to register before the events, like a month before the event starts, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be busy because there's going to be only 50 seats available. If after the 50 seats, the only way that you can watch this seminar is online. It's going to be live online also. All right? Via Restream and my website, which I'm going to inform you guys more about that later on when you start to register at this same page. Okay, and basically that's the date and time of the event. There's gonna be food. There's gonna be beverages. Sorry, no liquor. This is an educational event for people that are having trouble on repairing the credit or don't know how to repair the credit or don't know anything about their credit. So it's about their credit. It's all about their money, you know, and things like that. But we're gonna focus on this seminar. It's mostly gonna be about credit. Other seminars are gonna be about money, you know, combination of both. And that's why I have to say this is Carlos Anaya from the ICR's Financial Fitness and Financial Literacy Group here in the Connecticut, Waterbury, Connecticut area. Hopefully I see you guys there and you have a great, awesome day.